Well, hello everyone. So today I got Exynos chipset model of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I was trying to flash different GSI build on different mobile phone and finally I got this one. Let me show the fingerprint scanner is working and the face unlocking is working perfectly, very fast. This build is, let me show this is the settings interface of the current ROM that I got on my mobile phone. We'll go to about phone. Basically, this is the GSI build. Yes, we can flash the GSI build on any Android mobile phone, but it will boot or not, that I can't confirm. So the build that I got on my Galaxy Note 10 Plus got booted on this mobile phone, also got booted on Galaxy A73, and I will try to flash this build on other devices also. Well, I got Redmi Note 10 here. I flashed the GSI build also. Yeah, it got booted. About the ROM, this build is really an amazing build. Having Android 14, yes, updates are coming. This is the latest one that I got on my mobile phone. I downloaded the latest build. Yes, the updates are coming. Well, if you have used the AOSP ROM ever before, you will know that these are the features that usually comes with the AOSP ROM. This build comes with the built-in Google applications. There is no need to flash the GApps application separately. The ROM is coming with the Play Store. Surprisingly, the GSI build is having all three lock, like a pattern lock, the face unlocking and the fingerprint scanner working with this build. The battery life is so good with this ROM. Yes, I am getting a good battery life with this ROM on my Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And yes, we are getting modifications over here. You can read, your life would be very empty if you had nothing. If I tap over here, yes, we can get the modifications over here, a bunch of modification lists provided over here. If I tap single of it, yes, we are getting here that we can modify the ROM the way we like. There are many options provided with the ROM, and you can modify the ROM whatever you like to change settings or options. In this modifications section you can do that. This is the control center and also the notification center, and the control center widgets can be added. If I tap over here, we can add or we can remove the widgets, the one we like and the one we do not like to have. Yes, the flashlight is working. Well, I have flashed different GSI build, but I didn't get this settings, the one that I got on my mobile phone right now. Device specific settings. If I tap over here, and we can get like show your love and system updates. Yeah, these are the features, these are the options. Like if you are having any problem or if you want to have a different, like you want to modify, or if the any of these settings and any of the options having issues, you can come to this section, you can check it out. Like if I tap the audio settings, here you can see that we got many audio settings over here, many audio modifications. If something is not working, we can tap over here and you can see that, like disable audio effects, disable voice call in root, disable fast audio, etc, etc. These are the features or these are the options that we are getting with this ROM. If I tap on the display settings, this display setting is also providing many options, but I would advise, if you know about these things, you can go and tap. Otherwise, just stay away from these, because sometime doing a modification over here, the ROM behavior gets changed. Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which is like a 4 to 5 or 6 years old mobile phone, but believe me, still the mobile phone is handling the latest Android ROM or latest Android 14 or Android 15 so good, so well. You will not have any lag using it current 2025. Yeah, this is the amazing mobile phone handling the updated ROM quite well. Well, the ROM is performing so good, like you will see no lagging using it. AOSP camera is provided, and the camera is functioning good. You can take a picture, you can record videos, and the rear camera, front camera, both working perfectly. After flashing the ROM, straight away log in your Gmail account and start downloading the applications that you like to have on your mobile phone straight away from the Google Play Store. The applications that downloaded on my mobile phone straightly downloaded from the Google Play Store, and I don't have any issues using it. The banking application is working. As far the ROM is not rooted, the banking application will not have any problem on any custom ROM.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम टेलीनॉर कस्टमर केयर में खुश आमदीद मुअज़्ज़िज़ सारिफ आपका मौजूदा बैलेंस है 96 रुपए और 16।
And yes, the incoming and outgoing calls are working perfectly, and we can record calls without an announcement. Now, how to flash this GSI build on the Android mobile phone? Currently, I got Galaxy Note 10 Plus Exynos model. I tried and yes, I succeeded. And I will show how to flash on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And you must have an Unlock Bootloader, then you can flash the custom ROM. And before going ahead, if you are getting help from my videos, do not forget to like the video and subscribe my channel if you haven't done it yet. Thank you so much. First of all, you need to check the mobile phone battery. It must be charged, and you need to save all the internal storage data, otherwise the data will get formatted. In case if you are having MIUI ROM, and if you have login your Samsung account, sync your Samsung account and then must remove it to avoid issues with the custom recovery. Sync your Google account once, then must remove it to avoid issues later on. Must turn off the screen lock by selecting the swipe. These are the things that we have to do before starting the procedure. If you have done all these things that I just showed, then you can power off the mobile phone. Here are the files that I have downloaded already on my computer hard drive. Links are all provided in my video description. Just click the links and download these files. We are requires the Odin file, the Eternity ROM, TWRP Odin pack, which is having TWRP to flash the superior operating system with the help of the TWRP. And yes, we have to download the GSI build of the superior operating system Android 14. After downloading, first of all, extract the Odin in same folder, then extract the image file, the ROM file, the GSI build in same folder. And if you open the extracted folder of the ROM, you will definitely see an image file inside the folder. Open the Odin extracted folder, then double click the Odin. Click OK on this pop-up window, and on Odin, click any slot. I will go for AP, then I will go to my downloaded folder and I will double click the TWRP Odin pack, which is built for my mobile phone. Model number is N975F. I will double click to select the file. In case if you have any other variant, I will provide the video link in my video description. You can download the other TWRP Odin pack according to the model by going to that video description. Double click to select the file. Coming back towards the mobile phone. Mobile phone is supposed to be totally power off. Data cable requires check the other side of the data cable must be connected with computer and use a good quality of data cable. In case if you have a USB 2.0 slot, use that one. Press and hold the volume up key, volume down key, connect the cable with the mobile phone. You will see a warning screen. Release both keys, right? And then on this screen, press the volume up key once to boot the phone into Odin mode. This is the Odin mode screen of my mobile phone. On the computer, Odin detected the mobile phone because I have already installed the Samsung Android USB driver on my Windows. Go to Options, untick Auto Reboot, go to Log, then click Start to start flushing the Odin pack file. When done, then exit the Odin, go back to downloaded folder, the mobile phone still booted into ordin mode. We have to boot the mobile phone from ordin mode to custom recovery. Make sure do not disconnect the cable right now. Now, press and hold the volume up key, volume down key, power key. Just press it hold. When mobile phone restart, release the volume down key first, and when mobile phone vibrates or logo appears, release the power key. Just wait. Yes. Now just wait. Do not release the volume up key. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I have released the volume up key and the mobile phone will soon boot into TWRP. I got the recovery screen on my mobile phone. The internal storage will get appears on the computer screen. If I double click the internal storage, the folder names are not readable. Yes, the storage got encrypted. We have to decrypt the storage first. Now on the mobile phone screen, tap wipe, then tap format data, type YES over here, then tap here. When done, go back to main screen, then tap reboot and tap recovery. Swipe to unlock or swipe to allow modifications. We got the recovery screen back once again and the internal storage got appears once again. We'll go to my downloaded folder and I will double click to open the extracted folder of the ROM file and I will copy the image file inside the folder and we'll go back to my internal storage of the mobile phone and I will paste a file on the internal storage of the mobile phone. This copying procedure will take a time, so we have to wait. The file got copied and I am done from the computer. Finally, disconnect the cable from the mobile phone. Unlock the screen of the TWRP recovery and then go to wipe and advanced swipe. Scroll down. Look for the system partition. Select the system partition by ticking on it and then swipe to wipe. When done, then go back to main screen, tap install, then tap install image. You will see the file over here. Tap to select the image file. Now scroll down and put a tick sign or select the system image over here, right? And then swipe to start flashing. It won't take much time. The ROM will get flashed quickly. When done, go back to main screen and then tap wipe, tap format data, type YES tab over here and when done then tap reboot system. The mobile phone will stay on the Samsung logo for a while and then it will start booting to the superior operating system, the GSI build. The first boot will not take that much time. We have to wait here. Well done and complete the setup screen. Finally, the GSI build got flash very smoothly and very perfectly. This is the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. The resolution must be different. We have to set the resolution now. We'll go to settings, then we'll go to display. I will turn off the dark theme. Then I will tap the display size and text and I will tap the plus sign over here. And once again, and this is much better. We'll bold the text also. Yes. Now this is what looking much better than before. Yes, the Note 10 resolution is having a big resolution, so we have to set the resolution accordingly. Now the ROM got flash and these are the applications coming pre-installed with the ROM. Now it is time to check the settings. We'll go to settings, then we'll go to about phone. And this is the same build, GSI build, the superior operating system, same build number, Android 14. And if I tap the Android 14 over here, these are the details. Currently my device model number, superior operating system, 14, Android 14, and baseband is provided over here. Well, done, everything done so smoothly. Thank you so much for watching the video. like the video, subscribe my channel. We'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.